Hey everyone! Imagine you're driving smoothly and suddenly your manual shift mode stops responding. You try to shift gears manually but the car doesn't react. Then the check engine light pops up and when you scan for codes you find P0957. This code means there's an issue with the auto shift manual mode control circuit. High voltage, which can lead to manual shifting failure, erratic gear changes or even transmission malfunctions. In today's video we'll break down what P0957 means, where the key sensors are located, and how to fix it. Let's dive in. What is DTC P0957? DTC P0957 stands for Auto Shift Manual Mode Control Circuit High Voltage. This means the Transmission Control Module, TCM, has detected higher than expected voltage in the manual shift control circuit, which could be due to a short circuit, faulty wiring, or a defective shift selector switch. Common symptoms of P0957. If your car has this code, you may notice manual shift mode not working, unresponsive or delayed gear shifts, transmission stuck in one gear, limp mode, check engine light or transmission warning light, unintended gear changes while driving sensor and component locations, very important. Gear shift selector switch location, found inside the center console, attached to the gear shift lever. Function: sends manual shift signals to the TCM. Transmission Control Module, TCM, location: usually located under the hood near the battery, on the transmission housing or behind the dashboard. Function: processes manual shift inputs and controls gear shifting. Shift solenoids, A, B, C, etc. Location: located inside the transmission valve body, under the transmission pan. Function: controls hydraulic pressure for smooth shifting. Input and output. Speed sensors location: mounted on the transmission case near the drive shaft. Function: monitors engine RPM and transmission speed for accurate shifting. Wiring and electrical connections location: runs from the gear shift selector switch to the TCM and shift solenoids. Function: ensures proper voltage flow to shifting components. What causes P0957? The most common reasons for this code are: 1. Short circuit in wiring, causes excessive voltage in the shift circuit. 2. Faulty gear shift selector switch, sends incorrect voltage to the TCM. 3. Malfunctioning TCM, prevents proper manual mode operation. 4. Damaged or stuck shift solenoids, disrupts hydraulic pressure for shifting. 5. Weak battery or corroded ground connections, leads to unstable voltage readings. How to fix P0957? Follow these steps to diagnose and repair the issue. Step 1. Check the gear shift selector switch. Remove the center console cover and inspect the switch wiring. Use a multimeter to test for high voltage signals in the circuit. Step 2. Inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for short circuits, frayed wires, or corroded connectors. Repair any exposed or damaged wires leading to the TCM. Step 3. Test the battery and ground connections. Measure battery voltage. Should be at least 12.6 V. Clean and tighten any loose ground connections. Step 4. Test the shift solenoids. Remove the transmission pan and check solenoid resistance with a multimeter. Replace any solenoids with incorrect readings. Step 5. Reset the transmission control module, TCM. Use a diagnostic scanner to reset the TCM. Drive the car and observe if manual shift mode is restored. Step 6. Clear the code and recheck. After completing repairs, clear the code using an OBD-II scanner. Take the car for a test drive to confirm the issue is resolved. Final words: if your car has P0957, it means the manual shift control circuit is receiving excessive voltage, affecting manual gear shifting. Fixing this early will restore normal shifting and prevent major transmission issues. For more troubleshooting, check out these videos: P0780, shift malfunction; P078112, shift malfunction. This is IG Garage, your trusted source for car repairs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.